Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. We're going Hot Wheels, we're going a 36 count case. That means this is a Kmart Collector Day case. Kmart Collector Days is coming up, I believe, October 20th, although nothing has been confirmed on my end or anyone else's end. But I think it is at any local Kmart if you have one. I don't, so I ordered the cases. They were made available late last week. So I bought not one, but two. And thankfully, they just arrived today. There are two case codes, 999A, that's always the same. Q, that means these are Q cases from 2018. This is a B case assortment. This is a D case assortment. They may be the same. They may be different. We are going to find out. So let's just go ahead and open these up. 36 count cases. That is what is being sent to Kmart's for the Collector Day event, where collectors can go. Like I said, I don't have any local ones. A lot of people, that is the case now. So many Kmarts have closed. And so I ordered my cases online. I decided to go with two. Not really sure why. Maybe just for these videos so you can kind of see if there is any difference. I'm going to try and make this balance. I'll show you what are the exclusives and what are, well, whatever else is in here. So we are going to start with the first three. We'll compare them, kind of take note of what's here, and then we'll open that QD case. All right, we start with the embosser. These are going to be Q case cars mostly, except for the first to markets and the exclusives. So the embosser, the Tesla Model X in black, and there is the Cruella de Vil. This being a Q case, if I find rubber tires on this, it will be a super. This is obviously not. I think we can feel confident. There will not be a super in this case, but that's all right. A lot of people do this to get the supers. It's worth it. 36 count cases aren't as expensive as 72, obviously. Bogzilla, Winning Formula, and there is the Skull Shaker. Now, is this one of the exclusives? I don't see. I should know. You guys might. I know the ones I'm interested in. 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. I think this is one of the first to markets. Custom 67 Pontiac Firebird, and there is the 70 Camaro in orange. Bone Shaker, Tooligan, and the 52 Chevy. Teed Off, Eruption, and the Fandango. Try and give you a little bit more light here. Okay, here is one of the exclusives. It's the one that interests me most. Look, that's all Lamborghini. This is the Lamborghini Aventador Miura Homage. It was in that red with gold trim. Obviously, it was a super treasure hunt now, so if you want to complete it, you got to get the Kmart exclusive. So two of those in this case, and then the recolor of the Countach, whatever you want to call it. I hear both. For good measure. Hot Wheels High. There's the Moon Eyes Camaro. Love that. And the Ford Escort in the Hot Wheels Racing livery. Okay, we got another exclusive, but Cool Combi's in there. That's cool. Recolor of the Cool Combi, cool with K. And then how about this? From the Art Cars, I like this white Ford Focus. I can't even remember what the first is. Was it blue? This one is cool. So this is another Kmart exclusive. I really look at that art on there. How cool is that? So that's all Ford Focus, right? So that looks really good. So that's another exclusive. First to market, the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster. Now, first to market, obviously there were some Walmart cases that have this in there, but technically it's first to market because it is a 2018, even though it says 17 on it, it's a 2018 A case model, I believe. Recolor of the King Cuda, and then I think this is the Rip Rod as a first to market as well. Again, like I said, I'm trying to keep up. I just know what I'm mostly interested in. If you're going to find doubles, you can feel pretty confident this is a Kmart exclusive. This is the Chevy Blazer 4x4. So obviously this is a recolor. I haven't paid attention to the case that much, so who knows. And there's the 64 Impala. All right, I guess, yeah, these two would be, well, this would be a first to market. I saw this one in the Walmart case as well. Land Rover Defender Double Cab. That looks good. Recolor of the Batman animated series, and there is the HW50 Concept. Last but not least, for the Q case, Kmart Q case, this is the other recolor I want. I collect the 68 Mercury Cougar. Hot Wheels puts one out, I am going to put it in the collection. So there are 2 of those. I will add that. Maybe I'll do an up-to-date video on this casting because it's a very, very cool casting. Kind of underrated, especially compared to the older Hot Wheels Cougar casting. This one's awesome. And then the Crate Racer. I believe that's the treasure hunt, right? Yeah, so there is a treasure hunt in there. The Crate Racer. All right, that is the QB, right? Let's get this one out of the way. Double unboxing for you today. QD. Maybe exactly the same assortment. May not be. I may not even know if there is a difference here. It just depends on what the models are. I tend to focus solely on the licensed stuff. So you guys will let me know if that's the case. All right. Well, I've opened this up opposite because there's the Cougar up top now. So let's slide that out. All right, 2 more Cougars. And there is the Bot Wheels. All right, I already know. Okay, we are different because there is the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. We did not see that in the last case. Boy, these assortments are way different. We did not see that one, and I don't think we saw that one. So one might be one half of the standard Q case, and the other one might be another half. So it's nice that these are different. They're all going to have the Kmart exclusive, or at least they should. So there's the Focus RS again. Here's the Sky-Fi. I don't think that one was in there. Skull Shaker. 2 McLarens. Yeah, this is a very different case. So I think we've already determined that, right? Baja Holler, and then there's the 2 Lamborghinis. That's a good looking model there. Audacious, Exotique, and the Roadster. Well, there's only one of these. Well, we'll have to see. There's only one so far of the Kmart exclusive Blazer 4x4. There's the Fairlady 2000. There is the Corvette Z06. First to Market Defender, Mustang GT, and then the Rise and Climb. I think it's totally different outside of the first to markets and the yeah, it's way different. Zoom in, Power Rocket, and there's the first to market Rip Rod, right? There's the other exclusive, so they just mix that up a little bit. So there's 4x4, 2 of those. 53 Chevy and the 52 Chevy. They're kind of having fun with these, the way they're mixing these up. And then last but not least, there's your first to market Lamborghini. There's your Volkswagen Beetle recolor. There's the Volkswagen Beetle recolor. Look at, they're putting the McLarens together, everything together. So the Beetles are together, and then to finish off, so no treasure hunt in this one. Papa Wheelie. Is this a, I don't know if this is a Q case or... I don't remember seeing that one, but it's not one I think about too much. Recolor of the Ford Transit Connect, and there's the Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. Very pretty car in green. There you go. So what have we learned? We've learned that, now this isn't scientific, we've learned that the D case assortment is very different from the B case assortment. Appears to me that if there's going to be a super, it would be in the B, but I'm telling you that is not always the case. You might find that the super's in a D case. It never is specific. It's not that you can find it and know exactly, oh, that's a B case, so that's probably going to have the super. But maybe that's how it'll be worked out. There you go. Double unboxing for you today. Kmart event, I believe, is on the 20th. I'm not entirely sure. These cases might be made available again on Kmart.com. There's a link on LamleyGroup.com, so follow it, and maybe it'll be live again. I'm sure it will. Thanks, everybody. Bye.